Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD, colors name, dark blue color, brown color, red color, orange color, pink color, black color, red blue color, onion color. Let's start. Orange color, A, A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. Brown color, B for butterfly, B for butterfly. Yellow color, C for carrot, C for carrot. Blue color, D for dog, D for dog. Green color, E for eggplant, E for eggplant. Orange color, F for frog, F for frog. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. One circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, five circle, six circle. So kids, what we learned today? We learned A, B, C, D, E, F. One circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, five circle, six circle. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.